What's going on, everybody? Captain Granite here. It's been a little while since I actually put out a YouTube video, and I do apologize for that. It's been a weird sort of end of the season last year. I lost a near and dear friend of mine, and it took a little bit out of took a little wind out of my sails when it came to content creation. I've mainly been sticking on Twitch. But here we are. We're getting ready for the new riding season. Uh, you know, Warmer temperatures are around the corner. Here in New England, there's still a lot of salt and sand on the road. There's snow on the ground. So it's going to be a little bit before we actually get an actual moto vlog out. However, I got something new, and I want to share it with you. So I'm going to roll the intro. Stay tuned. My good friends at Voss. I cannot speak more highly of them. They are absolutely incredible. Shout out to you, Ashley. Thank you so much for getting in touch with me. So, we have a brand new helmet to show you guys. You'll see right over here. Yeah, right over here. Yeah, right. Oh, right there. Right there. There's some new releases at Voss. Brand new color sets, logos, whatever you want to call them. New for this 2023 season. I got one of those to show you. So I got a brand new helmet for this coming riding season. I'm sorry if you see me looking this way. My monitor's here, and I'm making sure my camera stays in focus because it's just a webcam, and it tends to have a little bit of issues, especially with these lights behind me on, but they're pretty. I like them. So, all right. Well, here we go. Let's open this thing up and see what we got inside. It is a 989 helmet. So, first thing that you'll see in this box is normally the paperwork, just the shipping documents. We're going to set those over here. Next thing, Voss always sends you some stickers. Thank you guys so much. I love the little cartoon figures. Here it is. Actually, let's do this one first. We got a brand new visor for the new helmet. Let me take it out of its plastic. Set that right there. So this one is a iridium helmet, or visor, sorry. There we go, DOT ECE approved. Lets you know that you can use the pin lock system with this visor. We're going to set that over there. Here's what you've been waiting for. VossHelmetsUSA.com. If you click the link in my my bio or whatnot, or my about me, go there. It'll bring you right to their website. You can use code Captain Granite. You'll get 10% off. Not a bad deal. All right. Love that. I love that new helmet smell. Thank you again for the new helmet for this riding season. I really cannot wait. It's beautiful. Like, it is absolutely gorgeous. We're going to set the nice cover off to the side here. Here it is. We're going to take the paperwork out too. It's just telling you how to install the pin lock. Shazam. There it is. The 989 Overlord helmet. Ooh. Let's take a look at this. Look at that beautiful artwork on this. The nice red, white, and blue. Got the 989 on the back, the DOT certified as well. You got the nice rear vent on the back that just presses down. So you press right here at the top, brings it up so it lets the air filter out through the back of your helmet. I always have that open. We got the same nice little skull. What do they call it? Paisley? Kind of like a paisley skull. It's nice. Nice artwork at the top. I love the red, white, and blue. 989 logo at the top. You got the Voss logo here on the side. Top of the helmet, you got the 2 air vents. Those just press down. You press up at the top, like that. You'll see it open. Has the part to close. There we go. Get a nice little look at that right there. Close it up. It just literally snaps down to place. And then the front visor, or the front vent, opens up like that. Clicks right back in. We'll open up the face shield here. Boom. I'm kind of holding this weird. I just don't want to let it go. So, got a nice little lever right here. You literally just push it. Boom. There you go. You got your internal visor system. You definitely peel the sticker off before go riding, and you drop that down. I didn't on my last helmet, and I totally forgot. I felt like Will Ferrell there in Talladega Nights with that Fig Newton sticker across the car. They're delicious, but this sticker is a little it's not safety wise to have the sticker across. So I'm giddy. I'm sorry, I'm giddy. This is absolutely incredible. In no way did Voss ask me to do a unboxing video. They didn't even ask me to do any sort of video. But with the new season coming, and just with everything that happened last year, and not being able to get a lot of videos out towards the end of the season, I owe you guys a lot, and the support has been still amazing. And everyone that's come over to my Twitch channel to watch me play really poorly at video games, thank you. But there it is. The Overlord 989 Voss helmet. You guys can get yours today. They're available right now. VossHelmetsUSA.com. You can click the link in my bio or the About Me. It'll bring you right to that page. Again, code Captain Granite. You'll get 10% off your helmet. And if you leave a nice little comment to them, let them know that Captain Granite sent you, all the better. They'll take care of you. They're absolutely amazing. Their customer support is by far top tier. I don't care what you say. Like, they've always taken care of me well before I was even an affiliate with them or a partner or whatever you call it. Thank you again, Voss Helmets. Go get yours today. Check them out. Absolutely stunning. Thank you guys. And motovlogs will be coming up soon. Probably around March, end of March, early April. We'll have the bike out and going on the roads. And we'll get some content out for you guys. So until the next one, it's Captain Granite. Later.